The Spectrum cable box L3 error indicates a boot loop, where the box continuously restarts due to signal or software issues. First, try power cycling. Unplug the cable box and modem for 60 seconds, then plug them back in. Next, ensure all coaxial cables are securely connected and undamaged to prevent signal loss. Use the Spectrum mobile app to remotely reset the box. This AI-driven feature can resolve issues in about 80% of cases without a technician. If these steps fail, a temporary regional outage may be the cause. So check the Spectrum support site or app for service alerts in your area. This initial troubleshooting addresses the most common causes, reflecting Spectrum's move towards self-help solutions that have cut call center volumes by 15%. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the L3 error, an advanced step is performing a factory reset through the cable box's menu. This will restore the box to its original settings, but remember, it will erase any custom configurations you've set up. For persistent L3 errors, connection stability is crucial. Try switching from wireless to a wired Ethernet connection, which offers more reliable signal strength and reduces interference that can cause boot loops. Looking ahead, the long-term trend is shifting away from traditional cable boxes. Spectrum is pushing hybrid streaming solutions through apps on platforms like Roku or Fire TV, which bypass hardware-related errors like L3 entirely. Spectrum's newer 301 series cable boxes, introduced in 2024, feature improved error handling to prevent boot loops. By 2026 to 2027, they plan to phase out older boxes in favor of fully cloud-based streaming, which could eliminate L3 errors through software-only solutions. Always ensure your cable box firmware is up to date to address vulnerabilities and enhance security. If the L3 error continues despite these advanced troubleshooting methods, reach out to Spectrum support for potential hardware replacement or a professional inspection.